So hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Sulfa, and the first thing I would like to say is I wish everybody a great 2021. I know it's a little bit late, it's almost February, but still better late than never. Stay healthy and always curious, and wish you all, I basically wish this to everybody, that get more new goodies, new knowledge, etc. So let's start. Now today's video will be, I guess, will be a little bit short, but it's a more informative video for those who just started to collect Soviet awards and medals, and for those who already collect, but sometimes we experience situations which, in my opinion, I have those two situations where I wanted just to make a video and inform you all and kind of like warn you as well. Now, the thing is that I purchased last year two bars, as you can see, with for military merit medals here too, and for medal for courage, so two of them. And here below you can see for for the defense of Moscow. Now these bars were, when I was talking to the person who was selling it, I asked him if they're all from one person. Usually 99.999% you will always receive an answer, yes, they're all from one person. But try to avoid this kind of purchases in general. If you get a good deal on the bar, get it, but the chances are very low that they belong to each other. Now, the good thing about Soviet awards is that you can research them. Comparable, for example, to German awards or any other awards which were awarded. So the problem with, or not the problem, the great news is that there are a lot of people who do research for Soviet awards, including me, that once we receive, for example, the number, or somebody receives the number, there are several ways to research it, either to go through the central military archives in Moscow, and you can get like a record card. Now the record card, I will also do an individual video on that. Contains the name, the birthday, where this soldier was actually born, place of service, and current place of service. Now on the back side, on the reverse of this card, it's smaller than an A4 format. There is a list of awards. Sometimes it happens that all the awards are listed on it, and sometimes you get several. For example, I've seen already several record cards with individual awards on it, but for one and the same person. It happens, but usually the most of the cases is one sheet and you have the numbers on it. Now, when somebody tells you that this kind of awards belong to one person, yeah, there are several indicators where you would probably think, okay, it might be a fake. Well, these kind of things it's not fake. I will get back in 1 minute to it. Now, on the back side, if you see, the numbers. Now these numbers are on the record card. Now, for example, if we order just one number for research, we should have all these other medals, all the other numbers on the record card. In my case, it was a little bit different because, okay, I've seen the bar. The bar can be or could be replaced by the veteran after the war. That happens very often. Then, for example, here on the ring, you see replaced with a wire. So the medals itself, they're original, no doubt about that. But when I researched the first medal for courage, it came out that it belonged to one person, and the record card did not indicate any other numbers such these. I thought myself, okay, maybe the second one was like a second record card which was actually created. Again, waited a couple days, received nothing, completely different person. Now in the end, it turned out that these people are completely different, and this is like a salad. So somebody was putting them together, and sell them as a set for one person. So if you purchase in the future pieces like these, and somebody tells you that they're from one person, don't trust. I mean, like, if it's not from the veteran himself, which we're doubtful, they won't be from one person. If you have luck, yes, but the chances are very, very low. Now, a proof is the record card. Now, once you have the record card, you can actually see if all the numbers, all the awards are listed on the record card. If not, that should raise a red flag for you, and you should either go away or make a good deal with this person who is selling it and purchase that, and research each award individually. Now, this is the one bar. What I will do is basically I will take these apart. I have the original suspensions, and I will put them each separately on a suspension and display them in my collection. Now, another thing is that I received this bar, and I was also told that it's from one person. Now, the guy who sold it to me, he told me that he would purchase from another seller, and he offered me for a good price. So I said to myself, okay, give it a try. It's good to research, so we don't lose anything because everything looks okay. But again, if it's turned out to be something else, I can still separate those pieces. And again, we have here two beautiful medals for courage, one medal for battle merit, and one for the defense of Moscow. All original, even the bar, very nice bar actually. And I looked up the numbers. Now, the most interesting part is that one of these is actually an early one. Now, this is like with the 344,637. Now, these came on a suspension, which is quite like a red piece, a red one with a screw back on the back side, and this metal was attached there. So what happens is mostly like some soldiers actually took this little square suspension and used the larger ones to put them like on bars like that. So I reviewed that, said okay, looks good to me, let's give it a try. And again, I ordered the card, the record card. Turned out this was for one person, that one for another one. I didn't even research that because if this would belong to those owners from those medals, it would be listed, but unfortunately it's not. Now, I told myself, okay, no problem, I will do the same as with the other bar here. I will simply take them apart and put them on individual suspensions and display them in my cabin. This one as well, very beautiful piece, older piece, and you can see, for example, here the rings are cut. This one I think is not cut. No, that's not cut. This one is as well not cut. So these are nice, and we have the Moscow medals is as well not cut. So sometimes they cut them to attach them to a bar or something like that. And yeah, it turned out that beautiful bars, beautiful pieces, but they don't belong to one person, unfortunately. But again, the medals revealed very interesting stories, which I might share in the close future. Now, I hope that you kind of like this video. The purpose, as I mentioned before, is like just to warn those who think, oh, I get for a good price for a bar and belongs everything to one person and da-di-da, da-di-da. Be very careful. Make your research and ask for a record card. Even record cards are sometimes fake, but still for those medals it's not necessary to fake them. So I hope you liked this short video, and I wish you all a great evening, afternoon, day, wherever you are. Don't forget to put up a thumb, like it, subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully soon enough post some other interesting videos, and one will be dedicated just to research. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, and see you soon.